Meaning of founder member.
Founder member.
Founder member.
Founder member.
Founder member. A founder member is someone who was involved in the creation and establishment of a particular organization or group. They are considered to be one of the original members, having played a key role in its formation and early development. Founder members often have a special status within the organization, and their contributions are typically recognized and respected. Being a founder member can also come with certain privileges, such as voting rights or a say in important decisions. Overall, founder members are a vital part of any organization's history and culture.